Step up. Phrasal verb. Let's explore its literal and figurative meanings with context-based examples. The announcer called the fighter to step up into the ring. Here, step up means move towards the fighter as being instructed to approach and enter the ring. Now, let's look at other examples. 01 to increase the intensity, amount or speed of something. The company plans to step up production to meet the increasing demand. Number 2. To take responsibility or action, especially when there is a need or opportunity. For instance, when the manager was away, Jane stepped up and led the team through the project. Number 3. To improve or make progress. For instance, he needs to step up his game if he wants to stay on the team. Number 4. To advance to a higher level or position. She stepped up to a managerial role after working as an assistant for 2 years.